everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And we have received a few goodies in the mail. So we're going to take a quick peek and see what we got. Okay, so it all did come in the same box. All right, so we have our Aunt Katie, our portable toilet that I know you guys were getting a kick out of. We have the manual there, and this is all for our upcoming trip. Now, I watched a ton of reviews on this thing, and it's supposed to be incredibly sturdy. Now, I was expecting it to be a bit bigger, a bit larger, but this is a seat to it. I thought there would be some bags with, okay, there is a bag with it. Now, if you can see that there. So, now I actually saw a guy jumping up and down on this thing. So that goes there to keep his frame. The bag goes here. So they only gave us, okay, two bags to start. And this is just so new to me. Squatting and using a portable toilet. I thought the bags would be a bit thicker, or I would expect the bags to be a bit thicker. Now, this is the seat here. So what happens is you literally take this here. All right, it's on. Where's the, yeah, this is the flap. And that's how you go. You sit down and yeah, you take a crap. And when you're done, you take the bag, you break this down, and it actually collapses. So there's that. It's going to store in the van very nicely. And as you can see, it comes with a nice uh, tote, if you will, for carrying. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Now, I know what I'm going to do. Yeah. And basically, you carry it. So I like the storage space. I like the idea. I would have liked thicker bags. Um, but who knows? That's if I use it at all. All right. So we have that. Next is our portable stove. Now, the only thing I have to do with this is get the, was it the 8 ounce propane bottle? Well, it actually said you can use propane and or butane. So again, I like how everything comes in a nice carry case. And we just pop that open. And here's our stove. So this goes on top. This is supposed to be a windshield. It has the non-skid plate holders. Actually, really bare. Really bare. So goes like this. That slides in snugly. And your propane bottle goes here, or your butane. I think the 8 ounce will go inside here. Not sure if you can see that nozzle, but the larger, I think 11 ounce bottle attaches like this. Yeah, that attaches like that. And the bottle goes into this end, that bottle right there, like so. The 8 ounce and the, I believe, 11 ounce. So you can use dual butane and propane. So, yeah, lock and unlock, and how you turn up and down the flame. Um, yeah, really bare, basic, primitive. Um, yeah, we'll figure all this out before the trip. Let me put this back in here, set it at the bottom there. I think, was it in here? All right. Like I said, I love how, oh, this was flipped over. That's right. And this was down there. Let's put it all back how it came. The cool thing is, I love how everything comes in a nice uh, carrying pouch. So this is going to take up little to no space in the camper van. And last but not least, I was going to use a couple of blankets from the house. Um, of course, they're feeling literally summer. I didn't think I would need a sleeping bag, but I'm just going to store it. As you can see, my favorite color, blue. I'm just going to store it in the van. It's an adult sleeping bag. I'm not going to unwrap it just now because I know I want to pack it nice and easily in the van. And I tell you, for what's planned to be an overnight camping session, my notepad is already 3 pages long. 3 pages long. Yeah, I'm a list person, but still, I have a 3 page list of things that we're going to take on the camping trip. And, like food, necessities, chargers, toothbrush, towels, washcloths, things like that. Um, the camping site we're trying to get into is just always booked to capacity. So I'm hoping this weekend there is an opening. We'll hopefully do, if not an overnight stay, a 2 day stay. And I just want to have everything I need there instead of leaving the camping site, you know, to go and get any type of supply. So, once I turn off that engine to park, I don't want to turn it on until we leave. So I want to be totally sustainable. Um, yeah, so that's where we are. I know it's been a while since we've uploaded some videos, but of course, life gets in the way of certain things. And yeah, so these are the items that came so far, and I will be updating you periodically until the weekend trip. Yeah, thank guys for tuning in. Greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.